exciting day. I've got a new printer to build. The only catch is it didn't come the way the manual shows it to come. So I'm supposed to have a bottom plate, which isn't here, and then I'm also supposed to have a fast assembled version, is what the manual shows, and I've got the assemble every piece version. So here we have the Zone Star Z5MF, which means it's going to be able to extrude in two colors, which is extremely cool. It's got lots of awesome things, like a filament sensor for each color filament. It's got a proximity sensor. Everything is awesome. But this, in their manual, is completely built. And there's a large bottom part that just doesn't exist in the kit. It's going to have a heated bed, and everything is wonderful, but I've got to find out how to build this little critter when the manual shows it like this. Bam! All those parts already assembled. The main framework is done, the printing platform is done, this baseboard is what doesn't exist, and on their version, that critter's already built. I have scoured the internet and I can't find anything that shows me how to assemble it, so I'm just going to have to give it a go on my own and try and share with you as I build it. In GearBest defense, the one that they show me does not have the base on the bottom, but the only catch I have is there's no link to the instructions for how to build this little critter. Even when I visit the Zone Star webpage, I am out of luck. So I'm going to give it a go just by looking at the pictures and seeing what's in the other manual. If anybody out there has a clue and an idea how to solve it for me, feel free to share away. I'm checking out all these cool prints on how to make them better, and hopefully between that, I'll have a finished printer before the day is out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.